In this video, let me show you the way that you can use the Telegram mobile app. Welcome back to this new guide video on how to connect. If you're new to Telegram, let me show you the way that you can use and the important section that you need to know. As soon as you open up Telegram or log into your Telegram account, you'll see this interface, which is the chat section. If you have previous chat inside, you'll be able to see all of them in this section. If you don't, and if you're trying to chat with someone or voice call someone inside of Telegram, you can tap on the pencil icon on the bottom right, and it's going to show you all of the contacts that you have and also those people that have Telegram installed. You can just tap open any person that you're trying to chat with. Once you open up a chat, you can type in any message that you want. You can send in emojis as well as pictures from your gallery as well. You can start off a voice call by tapping on the phone icon on the top right of the screen. Now, if you're trying to chat with a lot of people, you have the option of creating groups. You can also do that by tapping on the pencil icon, and right here you'll have the option called new group. You'll be able to add in up to 200,000 people on a particular group. So that way you can chat with everyone all at once. Now, other than the chatting section, Telegram is also popular for different channels and bots that are available. If you tap on the search bar on the top right, you can search for particular keywords to discover different channels. For example, if you search for movies, it's going to show you all of the movie channels that are available. So depending upon your interest and the type of channel that you're trying to look for, you just need to type in a particular keyword that you're interested in, and all of these channels will start to appear. You can just open up any particular channel and then you'll be able to tap on the join option on the bottom. So that was a quick video on the way that you use the Telegram mobile app. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.